Today I'm going to talk about leaves. After watching this video, you'll be able to answer what the function of the main component of a leaf is and what are the distribution of chloroplast in a leaf. Leaves. Leaves are one of the flat, usually green parts of a plant that are joined at one end to the stem or branch. Most leaves are green. It is because they contain chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight. Leaves are thin. This allows gases to diffuse in and out of leaves easily. Has a large surface area to absorb as much light as possible. Has veins which contain axiom tubes that transport water and phloem tubes which transport glucose. Gases get in and out of leaves because the tiny holes found on the bottom surface of the leaf is called stomata. It makes the gases to diffuse in and out from leaves because the carbon dioxide gets diffused by the leaf. Carbon dioxide is a reactant in photosynthesis. The oxygen and water vapor diffuses out. They are product of photosynthesis. Why most leaves are green? The underneath of a green leaf is lighter than the top. This is because the cells in the bottom of the leaf contain fewer chloroplasts, which means there is less chlorophyll. Most sunlight hits the top of the leaf, so this is where the chloroplasts need to be absorbed as much sunlight as possible. Part of the leaf contains most chlorophyll. The top part of a leaf is waxy. The bottom part is normally much drier. This waxy layer of the leaf is reducing the amount of water evaporating out of the leaf. The sun will heat up the top of the leaf, which makes more water will try to escape from the leaf's top surface. Interesting fact about leaves. Maple and syrups have leaves shaped a bit like human hands, which is why they are called palmate. Trees receive an estimated 90% of their nutrition from the atmosphere and only 10% from the soil. The oils in some leaves are said to have healing for human skin to reduce itself. Summary. What are the functions of the main component of a leaf? Chloroplast contains a green pigment that absorbs light energy from photosynthesis. However, chloroplasts are not found in all plant cells. For example, they are not found in root hair cells. These cells absorb the water needed by the plant for photosynthesis. What are the distribution of chloroplasts in a leaf? They are distributed in the leaf and in the whole plant in such a way that is capture of sunlight and the further product of carbohydrates from CO2 and water is more efficient. Leaves has more chloroplasts than other organs because they have a large surface area oriented to receiving sunlight. Thank you for listening.